This video is sponsored by Envato Elements. Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Design video product faster, with Envato Elements. Get unlimited downloads, After Effects templates, stock footages, fonts, music files, web templates and many more. Visit the Envato Elements, check the first link in the description, and get 70% discount on first month subscription. Let's create our title 20. Create a new composition. Here I will name it as title 20. For this composition, I will set time duration to 5 seconds, remaining everything will be same. Now here I will add my first text. Here I will be using objective font family, font style to black. Make sure tracking amount is set to 0. Here I will slightly increase the font size. Perfect. Now let's add the other text. You can create duplicate of this text layer, and replace the text, or you can directly add new text layer. Add the third text layer. Now position the text layers as shown. Perfect. For the third title layer, I will increase the font size. Here for this third text layer, we will swap the color, so that we will only have the outline for the text. Perfect. Now let's animate the text layers one by one. For the first text layer, from Animate, select Opacity. Set Opacity to 0%. Now in Range Selector, at start of the timeline, create keyframe for offset. Now go at duration of 2 seconds, change offset to 100%. You can see the preview. Now for this Animator 1, from Property, let's add the position. Set position for Y-axis to 35. Perfect. Now for text layer, press P to bring up position. Now at start, create keyframe for position. Adjust the X position value for the text as shown. Now at 2 seconds, adjust the X position value for the text as shown. You can see the preview. Now press U to view created keyframes. Select all keyframes, change keyframe assistant to Easy Ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's create a null object. Parent the text layer to null object. For null, press P to bring up position. Now at 1 second and 15 frames, create keyframe for position. Now go at 2 seconds and 15 frames. Adjust the X position value for the text as shown. Perfect. Now select created keyframes. Change keyframe assistant to Easy Ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. You can see the preview. Perfect, here the title 1 is ready. Now let's animate the second text layer. Go to Animate, Let's add opacity. Set opacity to 0%. In range selector, at start of the timer line, create keyframe for offset. Now at 2 seconds, change offset to 100%. Now let's add property, position. Set Y position value to 35. For text layer, press P to bring up position. Now at 2 seconds, create a keyframe for position. Now at start of the timer line, change X position value for the text as shown. You can see the preview. Now press U to view all created keyframes, select keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now adjust the speed graph as shown. You can see the preview. Now let's place this text layer at distance of near about 1 second. Perfect. Now let's animate the third text layer. From Animate select opacity. Set opacity to 0%. For range selector, at start of the timer line, create keyframe for offset. Now at 2 seconds, change offset to 100%. Now in advanced, let's change the randomize order to on. So the text will reveal at randomly. Now let's add the fill color to this text layer. Select property, fill color, and select RGB. Now let's add property, fill color, and select opacity. Perfect. Now here you can set color of your choice. Here you can adjust this opacity value. Or you can create opacity keyframe also. Here we will also place the third text layer at distance of 1 second. Here you can adjust the position of the text according to your choice. Perfect. Here our title 20 is created. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you next week with another awesome tutorial.